ClingFilm or cling wrap is widely used in our homes for storing and protecting food, but it's made of plastic and is difficult to recycle. In this suggestion box, we have a look at alternatives. ClingFilm or cling wrap usually comes on a roll and is widely used to cover foods to keep them fresh and prevent taints. One estimate is that 1.2 billion metres is used every year by households in the UK alone, enough to go round the world 30 times. The problem is that it can't always be recycled, and so most of it ends up in landfill. It's very slow to break down, but as it does, it releases potentially harmful chemicals. In cases where it reaches the oceans, it does harm to sea life when it's mistaken for food. So what can we do to reduce the impact on the environment of our use of cling film? Make sure that at least the box containing the film and the cardboard roll can be recycled. Look for biodegradable or compostable film. This takes 3 to 6 months to decompose, much shorter than the standard type, which is hundreds of years. Replace the film by using reusable glass or plastic food containers with lids. Flexible plastic lids that stretch over bowls and jars. A plate placed over a bowl. Beeswax wraps. These are flexible and mould over the top of containers. They're quite expensive to buy, but can be easily made at home with some clean fabric and beeswax pellets. By taking steps to reduce our use of cling film, we can reduce the amount of waste to landfill as well as helping to protect life in our oceans.
If you found this video interesting and useful and would like to know more, please visit our website to see the range of environmental courses we offer. You can also find us on LinkedIn and Twitter.